boyfriend yami eyindala kunami ina 35 years ngina 16 mina yangitshela ukuthi yangithanda bengingazi usingenzani ngayithanda nami ngoba sizongenzela yonke into benganawo baba bawamoshona ngihlala noma wami nosisi wami mama engasebenzi sisi wami semncane naye engasebenzi ngeke into engizoyiphilisa ngayo ngithanda ukuya esikoleni kodwa engeke into engizohamba ngidlile ngizogibela ngoba la ngangifunda khona ngigibela ngo14 rand ngisikolweni every day boyfriend yami ngithengela izinto zokugqoka yonke into engiyifunayo ngiyayithola ifamily yami yayazi ngerelationship yami nalo bhuti omdala engithandana naye noma engathandi kodwa engeke engayenza ngoba sasihluphekile singenalutho.
Transitional sex is when people engage in sex, maybe aiming to gain something out of that. We might be engaging in sex because you are a student, you don't have any good financial background, and you will be maybe involved with the taxi driver for bus fare, or else will be involved with the older man to buy you a cell phone because peer pressure around you, people are carrying cell phones with cameras, video camera and everything. So you might involve in that kind of relationship just to get that cell phone. But with prostitution mainly, we may meet someone today and never see the person anymore, and there's no relationship. They just pay you, that's it.
Ngangifuna ukusebenzisa condom, boyfriend yami ngafuna ukusebenzisa condom. Ithi mangabe udla usweet ngekuzulise ephepheni. Lokho usweet ukhipha iphepha kuqala mase yawula khonzo uzitest. Futhi ngangena i-choice ke ngakwazi ukuthi ngiqhubeke nayo ngilale nayo ngayisebenzisa condom. Ngoba ngisupporta nje ifamily yami ngaloyo umuntu omdala.
Having transitional relationships with the older guys who may be infected with HIV and having a relationship with somebody who's of your age boils down to a point of where you find like, okay, these younger guys, they will be infected with HIV because the infection will spread around the same age group because it started from the 35 years old man back to the 18 years old girl, then 19 years. Then there will be a lot of infections around teenagers, which started from the older guys. Some young women may have the power to negotiate condom use, depending on the kind of relationship they have. Because some relationship may not have the platform to negotiate anything. Because I'm buying you a cell phone, I want sex without a condom. But some may say, because I want to keep this relationship with you, because I'm married, I've got my family, I'll look after my family, I don't want to infect my wife out there, then they may use the condom.
Go 2002 ngagula, ngo 2003 ngayenza i-blood test endaweni embili ehlukene ama-clinic amabili ngathola ukuthi ngipositive. Usisi wami uyazi usingilanda bangizelana noma wami. Kodwa bathe ngathi isitozikisa sami kumphakathi engihlala kuwona ngoba abantu bane stigma. Ngiyayisebenzisa i-condom manje. Le nto engithanda nayo isakwenza lokho ukuthanda abantwana abancane amantombazane isa-spread HIV. Bantu abasha nanoma yini eniyenzayo ke ngoba sekunje vele emhlabeni nisebenzisa i-condom nicondomize anicondomizeli i-HIV kuphela nicondomize nezinye izifo ezikhona eziningi esemhlabeni.
I was 17. He was about 24, 25 years old. Okay, I was schooling. I was doing matric. And he was working. He used to buy me clothing, take me out. He used to give my mother money. I think she knew that I was sleeping with them. And in return, they were giving her money. I ran away from home when I found out I was 3 months pregnant. My stomach was just about showing. And after that, I can't go back home because I've got a baby. Ever since I ran away from home, I've got older boyfriends. They support me, pay my rent, buy my food.
Transactional sex is very
Ucansi lwemali lujwayelekile kakhulu kuzo zonke izinhlanga nayo yonke imiphakathi. Isizathu salokho isimo somnotho. Abesifazana sebekhulile baye bakwenzela ukukhokhela izingane esikolweni nokukwazi ukugcina umuzi. Amantombazane wona ayakwenza ngoba efuna ukuthola izinto ezifana nezingubo nobucwebe. Ngakho ziningi izindlela zokubona ucansi lwemali ebiphakathini oludalwa izizathu ezakhulile.
Certain of the older boyfriends don't want to use a condom. I thought that because they're doing things to me, I couldn't argue.
Uma ungayisebenzisi i-condom kahle futhi njalo uma uya ocansini ungazithola unezifo ezifana ne-HIV noma ezinye.
Okay, I had a baby about 2 weeks ago and they took out blood, but I'm not sure if they tested. I didn't sign a consent form and no one contacted me about the HIV status. And I'm too scared of the HIV test.
Ngowami umbono kunezinxazululo zamanje nezinxazululo ezizothatha kude. Isixazululo samanje imfundo notshintsho ngendlela yokuziphatha. Iningi labantu abasha abazi ukuthi ngesikhathi sokuqala ikhona ingozi yokuthola isifo se-HIV.
I want to be a woman that's working, that can look after a baby. I don't want to be a woman that's going to depend on men.